Welcome to While You Were Pooping, where you can learn fun facts in just the time it takes you to number 2. If you enjoy the show, rate, subscribe, and share with a friend. The more you share, the more we can bring to you. Today, we're tasting the science behind one of our most delightful senses. Ever wonder how we can savor a slice of pizza, relish a piece of chocolate, or cringe at a spoonful of medicine? It's thanks to those tiny sensory organs on your tongue. Taste buds.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
Taste buds are small structures on our tongues that allow us to experience taste. While they're tiny, they're mighty in their complexity. Each taste bud contains 50 to 100 taste receptor cells. These cells are the true heroes behind the scenes, responding to different chemicals in our food. These taste cells bind with molecules and ions from food you eat to send signals to your brain. This process turns chemical signals into the perceptions of taste in your brain: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, which is the savory taste associated with foods like broths and cooked meats. But here's a twist. Taste buds aren't just on your tongue. They're also located on the roof of your mouth and in your throat, though the majority are indeed on your tongue, especially around the edges and the back, where they're most sensitive. Over time, our taste cells regenerate every 1 to 2 weeks, which is why after burning your tongue on hot soup, thankfully, you won't lose your sense of taste forever. This rapid turnover is necessary because being exposed to this environment, these cells need to stay sharp and effective. It's interesting to note that while everyone has taste buds, the number can vary widely from person to person, affecting how intensely we perceive taste. That's why your friend might love the bitterness of black coffee, which you might find unbearable. So, next time you enjoy your favorite meal or experiment with new flavors, take a moment to appreciate the little taste buds working overtime to give you that burst of pleasure, or displeasure, depending on your adventurous culinary choices. Hey, thanks for listening to While You Were Pooping. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to rate, subscribe, and most importantly, share it with a friend. Your support keeps us uncovering more fascinating facts every day. That's all for today's episode. Join us during your next poo when we drop another nugget or two for your enjoyment. And when your friends ask, "How do you know that?" just let them know you learned it while you were pooping.
Yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping.